Hi, Ricky. Are you camera shy? Good morning, guys. Here's my bed. Here's the big cushions that I have not moved yet, and there's my closet. Oh, it's actually not that messy. Cool. So today I wanted to just take you through my entire day. I have a lot of things to do, gotta be a productive day, and I may be going to my condo later today as well because we're still, I mean, obviously in the process of renovating the kitchen and the floors. I did get my hair redone. I got it like cut a little bit. I got some layers put in. I got a little bit more blonde, actually a lot more blonde. So if you were curious why I look different, that's why. Anyways, today, some of the things that I have to do, I put a list on my phone. Aren't they like squad goals? They're all looking at the camera. So cute. But for right now, at the moment, I need to go get some breakfast. So let's go get food. One of my favorite go-to breakfasts in the morning if I'm rushing is just cereal, but I feel like it's very easy to get unhealthy cereals with no nutrition. So one that I really like and I've been having for a while now is just the Kashi brand. So this is just the Go Lean Cinnamon Crisp. It's got 11 grams of protein, 9 grams of fiber, and 14 grams of whole grains. So it's super easy to just have a bowl in the morning. So now it's like 10 in the morning. My video is uploading. I finished editing it. It should be up in like half an hour. And now I'm going to get more breakfast because I'm hungry again. And then we're gonna clean out my car quickly, just like a quick little clean out. And then I'm gonna get changed because I'm going to the gym to do legs. And then after that, I'm gonna be going to meet Tim. He's back at the condo. I know my job, he said, was to do so. Hi, Mom. Say hi. My job, he said, was to take up staples. I'm not really sure what that means, but we'll see when we get there. And that's the plan. But right now, I'm deciding what I should make for another breakfast. I ended up making these Kodiak cakes. I have one right here, actually, that I'm going to wrap up and put for tomorrow morning. And then this is the one that I'm gonna eat right now. I'm kind of doing what I've done for my rice cakes, but for this pancake, which I've never tried, but I feel like it's gonna be good. I'm just gonna put some peanut butter, some cinnamon, some flax seeds, and some chia seeds on top. Do you like my snowflake pajama pants?
I believe that we're meant to be. But jealousy get the best of me.
How delicious does that look? And it smells so good. So different. I've never tried this. I'm so happy I thought to do this. Update, this is just as good, if not better than I thought it was, so you should definitely try it out. Hi, Ricky. Are you camera shy? Little update, my video just went live like 3 minutes ago. So again, if you haven't seen my condo tour and plus like the little Q&A about my condo and everything, I'll have that link in the description box. But for right now, I'm gonna change into my gym clothes and then we're gonna go clean out my car quickly. So this is what my car currently looks like. It's not too messy or anything, but there's just stuff I wanna take out. These two were in those two cup filters when I was going to work, and then I wanted to stop to get more. So instead of like throwing them out, I just took them, put them back here, and put the new one there. Yeah, I'm a little ashamed, but not that ashamed. This is my raincoat. I'm gonna take this inside. This is all from something I bought from TJ Maxx. I don't remember what it was. Oh, a garden pot for Tim's mom. That's where all this is from. A pair of shoes. I got a fuzzy sock. And then just more paper. Oh! I got a lay, is that what it's called? I don't know. Somebody from work retired, and so we all went to this little bar to celebrate, and they were handing these out. Oh, there should be 2 of them. Yeah, there's 2, and then I have a 3rd one in my bedroom at the moment. I don't know where you guys are gonna go. You'll go in my summer decor box. Okay, got all the stuff out of my car. Now we're gonna go bring it inside, get some water, and head to the gym. Sorry if this lighting was absolutely horrendous, because I feel like it was. Hey guys, so I'm about to like pull out my driveway, but I just wanted to share with you, I haven't been taking pre-workout for a while now. But I am going to be using some of these BCAAs. I really like the taste. You know, you just like associate a taste of something with something. Like I associate the taste of this pre-workout or this like BCAAs with going to the gym. So now whenever I take them, I smell this and I'm like, yeah, it's time to work out. At the moment, I'm gonna do legs. I don't think I'm gonna film it because I have not been to the gym in a decent amount of time and I just want to be able to focus on my workout, solely on my workout. So I don't think I'm going to film it today, but I will start filming them again in the future, and I'm going to do legs and then we're going to go to the condo, and I'm excited because I'm going to show you guys kind of an update. Hi guys, this is me driving with my glasses. We're gonna try and vlog while I drive, but I don't have like a normal tripod for it, so I don't know if it's gonna work. You know what, no, I'm too scared that it's gonna fall. Okay, we're only gonna vlog in the driveway, parking lot. I just got out of the gym and I did legs. I haven't gone to the gym and oh gosh, I'm like so scared this is gonna fall. Okay, we're not doing this, never mind. Hi guys, so I'm sorry, I took a sip of my coffee while talking to you. I just got Dunkin' Donuts and now I'm going to meet Tim. I apologize for not finishing the vlog before or like continuing to talk, but as you could see, my camera started to fall and I just got really scared. I don't know what people use to vlog in the car. Like I can't imagine holding the camera while I'm driving. So I have to look into like something that you can put there, but my car is also really loud. So you might not be able to hear me very well. Hey guys, so now I'm at the condo and my current job is to pick up all of the nails. Because this is where the carpet was, so I have to go around and take all the nails up. I need to share this really uncomfortable situation that just happened to me with you. So I was picking up takeout because we ordered takeout we're working on the condo. And I go in there, the hostess hands me my food. She says, enjoy your food. I say, thank you, you as well. What was I thinking? I've done that at the movies too, where they're like, oh, enjoy your movie. And I'm like, you too. And then it's just, you just have to just ignore it and you just walk away. But that's what just happened. Now I'm taking the food back. I got a veggie burger and I'm really excited. It's so freaking hot right now. This is what the kitchen currently looks like. We took all the cabinets out. You can see over here, here's one of the cabinets. And then we have, the floors have been patched in. So this is all gonna be resanded and then obviously that wood will be restained to match all of this. Here are all my cabinets. Not all of them, but all the bottom cabinets. Good morning guys. So it's actually a couple days later. It's now Wednesday at like 7:15 in the morning, I wanna say. And I have a little secret to share with y'all. I never did anything about these on Sunday. While it's not that big of a deal and I am moving pretty soon, so it's not the end of the world, I just don't really want them in the middle of my room anymore. It's also gonna make it difficult to pack. So I don't wanna really move them anywhere else in the house because I don't really know where they would go. So I think I'm just gonna put them over in that corner, but I wanna put down like a blanket. So I think I'm gonna take the blanket from that chair and put it over there. That's what we're gonna do right now. Also, yeah, I'm rewatching The Office and I was in the middle of it as I was getting ready.
I love you, even though I don't like you right now. I want you, even though you keep breaking me down. We got really high highs, really low lows, but I still love you, even though I don't like you right now.
Okay, so just a little update. Now this carpet is totally cleaned off, which I'm very happy about. I just stacked all of the cushions over there and then I moved my mirror back next to it because I like to, like you've seen, sit and do my hair. And then I moved my shoes over to that window and yeah, it's looking good. So right now I just have to get changed and go downstairs and have some breakfast and then I gotta go to work. Here's another little update of the kitchen. We took they took all the floors out and then repatched this because we're gonna put new tile on here. And then you can see they actually took down this part of the drywall because this is where the backsplash was and it was easier to just take it down. So now they replaced it with all new drywall and included a few new sockets as well. So that's gonna be really nice. This is what it's looking like right now. And this is where I'm hanging out right now in the bathroom. If you watched until this part, comment fall soap. I purchased some fall soap and so it's right over there. Comment fall soap if you watched till this part. I'm currently at the condo right now. Tim and his dad are working on the kitchen a little bit more and there's not really anything I can do, they said, so I'm just kind of hanging out and waiting for them to be done so we can head out. I think that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to keep taking you along more and more of the updates and renovations and everything to the condo. It should be done hopefully by like mid-November, so I'm really excited. And I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.